8 crystals for spiritual growth and how to use them. Stick around because I will be pairing these in different ways to help you really connect with your higher self, your inner intuitive self, and your guides, and what spiritual growth means, at least in the way of my understanding and the way my guides taught me. Here is Dragon's Blood, Jasper. Dragon's blood is known for absorbing negativity, negative energy, and it also helps you with personal power, courage, and overcoming obstacles. Obstacles such as beliefs that don't serve you, beliefs that others, no judgment, no blame, but belief that others have taught you or imposed upon you. When we overcome, when we move through, when we dissolve old, outdated beliefs that have never served us and certainly no longer do, you raise your vibration in such a way that you can connect differently, clearly, more often, and more consistently. Here is Cave Aragonite. Amazing. White is generally or commonly thought of as spiritual protection, clearing your path, energy detox, and it is also truth and understanding, patience, and accelerates spiritual growth. And yes, I'm reading from my notes because once I start these videos, most of everything goes right out of my brain. So spiritual path, we've just talked about that in a moment or a moment ago. It is part of why you're here on this planet at this time, beautiful soul. And knowing what our spiritual path is and being able to follow it with confidence and patience, because holy heaven, sometimes things just don't happen fast enough. Here is Caribbean Blue Calcite. I love this. It is blue for your third eye, your throat chakra. We have grounding, which is the brown. The different colors are the different colors of brown. So it connects with Mother Earth, and Mother Earth can help you to heal so much if you do a quick, not in a hurry, but a quick meditation of grounding. It becomes easier to give Mother Earth any energy, all energies that you're willing to share with her for healing. And how would you do that? You would close your eyes and breathe deeply, right? In a comfortable position, and imagine roots growing from your feet down 6 feet and around 6 feet. So 6 feet out and 6 feet down. And just breathe in that energy from Mother Earth. Phantom quartz. Manifesting, knowing that you are more than the sum of your parts. This is aligned manifestation because a phantom quartz represents, it symbolizes manifestations that start and then a larger manifestation. So when you align your thoughts, energy, emotions, actions, and healing work, things come to you or can come to you much sooner, much clearer, much faster, especially when you are redirecting your thoughts to your current reality or the reality that you are creating. Goethite, your inner journey, the journey of life, healing past life issues, dealing with karmic relationships, karmic beliefs that do not serve you in this time frame is very, very important. It attunes you to your higher self and to the ethereal realms. The ethereal realms are your guardian angels, ascended masters, spirit, the saints, whomever it is that you connect with, source itself. Rutilated quartz. I'm going to turn this one around. Let's see. You can see one little thread there. So the threads of, and there's another one I think. The threads in rutilated or rutile quartz can be white, black, or gold. This one has a few gold and it has a lot of white. So what does this do? Manifestation. When you are working with quartz, it is powerful protection. It magnifies the energy of all other crystals. And it is an energy and integration. Helps you with energy integration, which is assimilation and alignment. When you are aligned, you are more easily connected with everything. Here is Garnierite, also known as green moonstone. So not only does it help you with moon cycles, new and especially the full moon, this helps you align with prosperity and abundance in a way that helps you dissolve fear and doubt, fear of the unknown, how things are going to work out for you. And when that happens, you are more aligned with your spiritual self and your guides, which then uplifts or levels up your inner vibration. And when you're worried, when I get worried, my connection kind of goes not so great. Maybe yours does the same. And then we come to Celestite. Here's a larger piece, and this is a smaller one. Very high vibe. It is for inner vision, clarity, connecting to your guides, speaking your truth. So third eye and throat chakra, speaking your truth, even if it's just to yourself, out loud or in a journal, in your mind, because if it is difficult, is a challenge, or you just don't say what you really want, even just to yourself, then the chances are very high actually that you will not be able to manifest what you want. And if you do, it's going to be kind of spotty and not doing so great. All right, as promised, here are some pairings. And what's just coming to me now, Cave Aragonite, Goethite, and Dragon's Blood. Doesn't that make a nice pairing? Pairing is 2, 3, or more, up to 9 different crystals, minerals, and stones together to amp up, to magnify the energies. Past life and toxic karma clearing, negative energy absorption, as well as grounding, and Cave Aragonite for spiritual protection, energy purification, truth and understanding of who you are, and accelerating spiritual growth. All of these will do that. There are many more crystals and minerals that can help you with spiritual growth, and I will put a list, or have put a list down in the comments for you. All right, let's do another pairing. These 3. So, Caribbean Blue Calcite, Phantom Quartz, and Rutilated Clear Quartz. Very nice. Okay, let's do another one. Green Moonstone Garnierite, Celestite, and Rutilated Clear Quartz. Isn't that beautiful? If you want to amp things up, meaning really magnify the energies, you can always add a clear quartz point or a cluster to all of these. If y'all have any questions, please pop those down below and I'll happily answer them. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.